This is Rohit, and firstly, welcome to Full Tank Films.
All good. Yesterday I was gone for almost 1 hour.
Right?
I had bad headache while driving. The last 15-20 kilometers, no? It was very bad. I couldn't open my left eye. The whole left side of the head was aching.
Now?
Now I'm fine.
Good sleep. Good sleep.
Yeah. So, you guys are excited about today?
Yes.
How do you feel about 19,000 feet?
Amazing.
It's like going on a date with your first girlfriend.
Very exciting and a lot of josh.
We don't know what's going to happen.
We are currently at Hanle and we'll be riding to Umlingla today. The briefing is at 7:30 and we're going to ride out by 8. We're going to go up to 19,000 feet. I don't know how to explain the feeling, but yeah, we'll find out soon as we reach the top. But right now, let's go have breakfast and get ready, wear the jacket and go to the briefing location. And yeah.
Once on the way back, we'll have tons of fun, but towards till we reach Umlingla, take it easy. And one last thing, if any of you burn your clutch out, I'm not going to replace it. You're gonna wait there. It's not because of the bike's fault. 4 or 5 vehicle gap in between the guy ahead of you, and don't run like directly behind him. Just make a gap. All right, be on the either side of the gap.
If you're speeding ahead, there's a lot of dust.
Dust,
that
yeah.
comes.
Yeah.
So one behind
Can't see anything in the dust.
you can lose focus.
Yeah.
There are puddles of thick sand in the middle, certainly in the dust.
Bounces as well at the base. Then you're gonna head back. I'm not gonna replace clutch plates or brake pads or anything of that sort. Get it? Okay, let's go. We'll start in 5.
Ready, guys?
Ready? All set. Let's hit the top.
Yep. So this is a complete off-road patch that we're going to do, and there's no tarmac, and there's also very soft sand which can just fishtail your bike completely if you don't recognize that soft sand much prior. So make sure you look after the soft sand, else your bike is going to fishtail and you're going to lose balance. So you're going to be very slow at your comfortable pace. I don't know what's the altitude right now, but one thing I can say is भाई हम आसमान के ऊपर है, and it's quite literal. We've finally hit the tarmac. भाई फट गई थी, क्योंकि एक तो the slope is like this and there's a lot of soft sand, so if you have to turn in that sand, the bike, it's like you don't control the bike controls you. So it's an amazing feeling. So right now we're going to reach at one point where there are a few cafes, and the doctor is going to take our vitals, and if our SpO2 is good, then we go ahead, else we go back. So this is the bridge that we want to take to go to Umlingla, gateway to Umlingla. We are approaching world's highest cafeteria at 19,024 feet. Fucking hell! Our SpO2 levels are great and we're okay to go to Umlingla. Dr. Saab has given a go ahead and we're gonna drive now. Excited, man. 19,000 feet. And yeah, so you're gonna keep gaining altitude, so your bike starts to struggle, and even you'll be also running short of breath. Let's go, let's go! We've reached Umlingla!
It's going.
Let's go! We have a bad hailstorm. Change in the weather. My hands are completely frozen inside. I'm not able to move my fingers. Oh man. So right now we are descending from the Nurbula top, and just look at the road and look at that soft sand. Oh man, oh mancho, oh mancho. Fuck, it gets so difficult, man. That with a bike like this, so heavy, very difficult. So we're just back from the Umlingla top. We are having a lunch. It was very chaotic, but yeah, we managed to
take a picture and also had fun.
Start again, action. Oh Hanle, I leave you with a heavy heart and deep sorrow. You left me to Umlingla without even taking a picture with me. My heart is broken. Mother. I am Rohit Satyan. Full Tank Films. Follow, like and share and subscribe.